Hi guys, welcome to another unwrapping or unboxing episode here at my channel, and today we will unbox something that I've been using for almost a year. It's a skincare product. It's um it's a water-based spray that moisturizes your face, and I'm talking about Top O. So this is my old canister, and the last time I bought Top O, they had a promo at Watson's where if you buy one canister, you'll get a free oxygen mask solution as well. So here it is. It's 80 ml, and the mask is 120 ml. So it's Top O for the spray, and Sanso is the oxygen mask solution. Now, once you unwrap the package later, we'll see what it looks like when it's new. And this canister is like, it's so damaged because I bring it everywhere I go. I can say that this has been effective in really moisturizing my face, especially now that it's kind of hot. What I've noticed though is that it dries quickly than it did before. I guess maybe it's because of the weather. And this usually costs around 375 pesos, and you can buy it at Watson's or Mercury. But once in a while, they have a sale either in Watson's and, well, in this case, they had a sale on their website. So their promo was if you buy two canisters of Top O, you will only get it for 600 pesos. Plus, you will also get two bottles of the oxygen mask solution that is Sanso. Now, I ordered through their website because it's only available in their website. And once they have a sale, I really try my best to grab that opportunity because, well, I save a lot of money. So I ordered the package about 4 days ago, and it arrived today. Ta-da! Here it is. So let's take a look at what's inside. So the price of the items came at about 600 pesos because that's what it says in their website, but I paid around 720 something because of the shipping fee. So let's have a look at what's inside. I'm so excited. They told me that it arrives in like 5 to 7 working days, so I was really glad because it arrived in only 4 working days. So this is it. Yay! So let me just remove the receipt first. So yep, they used bubble wrap to make sure that the boxes won't get damaged in transit. And this is, well, these are the items. I have 2 canisters of Top O and 2 bottles of the oxygen mask called Sanso. Let's have a look at what's inside. Let's cut them open. And I like the way that they separated the two. They are basically made of the same ingredients. And let's have a look at that in a bit. So here is the spray, and wow, the tape is really, really sticky. Here is the spray. And this was recommended to me by my friend Josh, who is incidentally an SM Youth model. So he's really into taking care of his skin. So when he recommended this to me, I knew that I really had to try it because he really has great skin. And it just doesn't want to get out of the there. Alright. Okay. So for the Top O oxygen supplement, the box changed quite a bit from when I first bought it. And the ingredients are water. Let me just focus the camera a bit. Yeah. So I have water, oxygen, and sea salt. And this is basically liquid oxygen. So expiration date is on, well, I don't really see the expiration date. But I will be using this up way before it expires, I'm sure. Oh yeah, here, sorry. It expires on or in 2020, so there's plenty of time. So according to the box, this is helpful in conditions such as mild to moderate acne eruptions. And what I found was that whenever I have a pimple, when I spray it with this, it really dries up and it doesn't leave a scar. Although we have to keep in mind that not all skin types are the same, and the results may vary. It also depends on how you take care of your skin. Okay, it's also good for scaly, dry, and itchy skin, allergies, insect bites, minor burns, cuts, and abrasions. Now, I have yet to try this in minor cuts. I just usually use it on my face. Mild eczema, and I really don't know how to pronounce that. Seborrheic dermatitis, pimples, skin rashes, and redness. Now, when you spray this, the first time I sprayed this on my face, it felt really cool, and I felt that my skin was tightening a bit. But that sensation stopped when I was using it like every day. But the moisturizing effect is still the same. So it's sealed, so we know that it has not been tampered with. That's great. So this is the canister. It still looks exactly the same. Of course, it's not, well, it's a bit damaged as well. But yeah, here it is. It's 80 ml. It is pressurized, a bit pressurized. So, oops, a bit pressurized. So when you spray it, I'm not sure if it's gonna show. It's not showing up, but it has a fine mist when you spray it. So the ingredients are all natural, and I've been using this for almost a year, and I like the results, and that's why I bought that again when I had the chance. Now for the oxygen mask solution, when you open the box, it comes with this, and this is basically the face mask itself. It comes with a measuring cup, and well, the bottle obviously has changed. When I first bought it, this was how the bottle looked like. Honestly, I like the old packaging. I hope it works just the same. Let's see. Does it have the same ingredients? Water, oxygen, sea salt, which is exactly what we have in Top O. The only difference is that in Top O, it's pressurized spray, and this is just the liquid form. So when you open the box, you should have 8 pieces of compressed mask, 1 measuring cup, like what we saw earlier, and 1 bottle of the oxygen solution. According to the box, this is a solution that matches any skin type. It aims to keep the skin soft, well hydrated, and well moisturized. It also helps improve appearance of pores. I haven't noticed if it helps with the appearance of pores just yet, right? Oh, I forgot. Let me just go back to Top O. So for Top O, for you, the correct way of using it is to hold it 2 or 3 inches away from your face. So you spray it every time you feel that your skin is drying up a bit. I would suggest you spray it. So you will look like you sweat a lot because, well, it's really wet. But do not be tempted to wipe it. You have to leave it to dry on its own. So they basically have the same description because they're from the same company and they have the same ingredients. Now let me just go ahead and show you how the face mask works. So these are the things that you would expect to happen once you use the face mask. And I'll just go ahead and use what I have here. Let me just go ahead and grab that. Alright, so here's what you'll do with the mask. So what you do is you place one of these compressed paper like face mask, you bring it out, but ideally you should put the solution first. So it says here to use about 12 to 15 ml. So let's measure 15 ml of the solution. Oops, I'm spilling everywhere. And this is the last mask of the set that I bought before, and I still have a lot of the solution left. Now, what I would probably do with this is to put it on a cotton pad and wipe my face with it to moisturize my face before I sleep. Now, one thing you should also know before you use the mask is that your face should be clean. Right, so let's watch the magic happen. As soon as I drop the pellet or the mask, it absorbs all of the water and it becomes the mask. Now, this is what you put on your face. I would say that the mask is kind of small, I guess. Well, it's wide, but it's wide, but it's small-ish. But it would do the job. So my nighttime ritual or my daily ritual sometimes would probably be me just washing my face thoroughly and then spraying Topo. When I'm feeling lazy, that's what I do. Of course, the skincare routine varies. It depends on, the condition of your skin, the weather condition. Is it hot? Is it humid? And whatnot. So I hope you try this product. I will put the link on their website. The sale is only up to the end of the month, if I'm not mistaken, but I will go ahead and put the link down below to their website. I will also place other links on where you could order Topo and Sanso. And yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. It really worked for my skin. But again, like what I said, different skin types have different reactions. So I'll see you on my next video. Cheers! Thank you for watching.